Hello guys and welcome to the channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to add adjustment layer in DaVinci Resolve and how to use it. So let's get started. First open a new project. Now let's go to the edit page. Let's get this video for example like this. Change. Now we have our video in DaVinci Resolve. So the idea of adding adjustment layer is to add a layer up here. You will apply all the effects and everything you need on this layer, and the effect will be applied on everything below this layer. To find the adjustment layer, go to effects tab and go to effects, and you'll find adjustment clip. You can add it as a favorite from here, so you can access it at any time you want. Now drag this adjustment clip like this. Now we have our adjustment layer on top of our video. So now everything we apply on this adjustment layer will be applied to everything below it. If I select this adjustment layer and let's say I increase the zoom from the inspector, I increase the zoom. So as you can see, while I am controlling the adjustment clip, it applies the effect to the underlying layer. So if I disable it like this, it will come back to normal. So this way you can apply any filters you want, like color grading, like any filters, any effects. And after you apply it, if you want to see before and after, you can just click on this and compare the results. And also if you mess up with the settings and all that stuff, you can just delete the adjustment clip or disable it if you want. So this will save you a lot of time. So now let's take a look on some stuff that you can do with the adjustment layer like this. So I'll reset this. First, the cinematic bars. If you want to make the upper part and lower part, you want to make them black. So you want to go to cropping and crop top like this. Let's set it to 35. Okay. And crop bottom, also set it to 35. Now you have these black bars, the cinematic black bars that you can apply to your video. As you can see, you can just add them by adding the adjustment clip instead of cropping the video itself. So you can just add adjustment clip like this. Also, let's say you want to add an effect from here. So let's take another one. I want to add this magic zoom effect. It's a zoom in and a zoom out. It's automatic. It's from Mr. Alex Tech if you want to download it. Magic zoom. And instead of taking it and applying it to the video like this, or a small part, I'll have to cut a video. I'll have to cut the part like this and now bring the effect. Watch this. Now this is the effect applied, but I have applied it on this part of the video and I had to crop it. Welcome to this channel. In this video I'm going to review this device from Fosse Audio. So it zooms in and it zooms out, and if I want to change it, I'll go to effects here, selecting the clip. But if I want to save my time, I'll just add a small adjustment layer like this and take the effect from my effects and put it on the adjustment layer, and it will do the same. And you can also adjust the effect from here. So let's watch. Channel. In this video I'm going to review this device from Fosse Audio. So this is one way of applying it. So let's remove this. Let's say I want to add another effect. Let's say video call. Take the video call and apply it like this. As you can see, the effect has been applied. This is the effect, video call. You can adjust everything you want from here. If you want to delete it, let's move from this frame. Okay, if I want to disable it, I'll just disable the adjustment clip, just like this. Also, if you want to color grade any part of the video, you can add an adjustment clip like this. After you finish editing, you take the adjustment clip and put it above all and go to the color page. Now we have our adjustment clip selected. Now let's say we want to adjust the color. I'll disable this effect. Okay, so now after you finish with your color grading, go back to the edit page. As you can see, it has been applied, but if I want to disable it like this, it will just apply on the adjustment clip. So if you want to remove anything you have added by mistake or something, you can just disable it like this and you'll be fine. So guys, this was the adjustment clip, and these were some stuff that you can do with it. It's a good tool. You have to learn it to save much time, to make your editing easier. Just learn how to use it. You can watch more videos on how to use it. Search for effects using adjustment clip and you will find a lot of videos. So guys, that's it for today's video. I hope you find it helpful. Please like the video and subscribe to the channel, and thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.